Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. I will try to get this video up on New Year's Eve, cross my fingers. I just showed you guys that I did go in with a full press-on nail. All I did was go in with a size bigger than it requires so that I don't have any shifting around. These wells inside the Glamour Liz hand are pretty deep, so I really don't have issues with the nail lifting or falling up. I do use the no glue method. And then here now I am going in with 3X flat square tips that are from my website. I will link them down below. A lot of people ask me about them. There is no C curve at all, and it's great to purchase 3X because you can manipulate them into any length you want. Here I'm just going in and cutting off the number. I have been MIA. I apologize, you guys, but for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know your girl live in school. So my clinical does not start back up for like 2 weeks, but I really needed a break where I wasn't doing anything to like mentally get myself together for what I do have coming up for the next 8 months. Here I am going in with my e-file and just meshing those two nails together. That would be the nail bed and the nail tip, so that I can have a smoother application when I go in with the acrylic. I am going with the acrylic nail kit from Born Pretty. You know, you can find Born Pretty on their website and also on Amazon. I will leave all links down below. They always have a sale going on. I believe I have a discount code down below. You already know, very affordable. Here, you know, per usual, it does come with instructions. You get a file, a dapping dish, you get some forms, you get some EMA monomer, you do get some brushes, and you get 3 acrylics, a clear, a white, and a pink. I wanted to show you guys what the swatches look like, because sometimes we get these beginner nail kits and the pinks aren't true to like pink. They be like a sheer pink, but this pink was really opaque and this white was really good. So I wanted to use both of those colors so you guys can see. And you know, it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't lose some footage. So here I decided to just go in and build this cuticle area up a little bit more so you guys can see that the color is true to what's in the jar. I am going in with very thin application because I don't like to actually build the nails up on my silicone hand. But yeah, and again, my acrylic is a little bit runny because my workspace is freezing. This was like a day in Philadelphia where it was 9 degrees. So you guys know my work area is already cold. I did get a heating system put in, but by the time it warmed up, like I would had to wait like 30 minutes just to get the room really warm and then go in and try to use my monomer, and I didn't have that type of time. But here, same thing with the white. I am going in with a very thin layer, and as you guys can see, this white is really, really pretty. And yes, it's runny, but it's not the product. It is my workspace. It's freezing. If you're new to my channel, I like this kit. This is one of the better acrylics that I have gotten in a beginner nail kit that was this reasonably priced. Typically, you know, you have to do a lot of manipulating with these beginner nail kits, but as you guys can see, this, you know, was beautiful. Here, this is a acrylic that I made. I did have these on my website. They are sold out. I don't have any more. If you're interested, let me know. I will make another batch. This is just so beautiful. And again, this is not a cover powder, so I am going in with a very thin layer of this because I'm going to cap everything in a clear off camera. I left these 2 spaces open on the nail bed because I was going to do something different. I was going to add glitter there, but I just decided to go in with a really thin layer of that white and keep these nails fully white because I was going to do some artwork on them, and everything shows up a lot easier when the background is white. So that's all I'm doing here. I just wanted you guys to see me do one of them. A little bit of product go a long way, especially when you are in capping. If you're using color powders, you don't have to go in with all of your color powders. They typically come in smaller jars. So just go in with a little bit and then you can cap it with your clear. So I decided to do a 2023 nail. I'm not the best at doing line work at all, but if I could do it, you can do it. Just take your time. I am going in with a liner brush from the 5-piece Beatles kit. This is the black one. I love this brush. Every time I get a new brush that I like, I always find myself going back to this brush. I highly recommend it if you are a beginner and you really don't think you can manipulate a brush. Try this brush out or any of their brushes in that 5-piece kit, and you'll be surprised at what you can do. So here I'm just going in and putting like some little stars on here. I wanted to get something up for you guys because I have not been posting. My birthday is in 2 days and I am still on break from school. I don't go back to school in about maybe like less than 2 weeks. So I really wanted to use the time that I was off to break. I am an overachiever, so I really stressed myself out this entire semester. I do have like 8 more months of like critical clinical going on, so like I really need to be focused on what I'm doing. So here I am going in with some martini glasses that I will be filling in with some glitter. Really easy. I got this design off of Instagram and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I can do that. So let me go in because it's just basically lines. Just take your time. Go in with a light hand when you're doing this, if you do it, just because when you go in with a lot of pressure, then you will get a thicker line than you actually want. But the good thing is you can go in with a little bit of acetone and clean it off and start over. So that's all I'm doing here. I am going to fill it in with some silver glitter. And before I fill it in with the silver glitter, I do cure it in the lamp for about 30 seconds just so that the black part does not mess up. But yeah, I did tell you guys that my next video, I will be having a giveaway. So if not tonight, then early tomorrow, I will make a short video on my channel just going over what's inside the giveaway and what the giveaway rules are. I'm pretty simple when it comes to my giveaways. All you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to me and also follow me on my YouTube, not my YouTube, Lord. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll make sure I leave the Instagram handle here, and I'll also try to link it in the description of the video. But yeah, I'm going to give away a bunch of stuff to one person. I will have another giveaway. I try not to do as many giveaways as I was doing just because people get upset if they don't win, and I don't like that on my conscience. I do try to be fair. I actually give stuff away that, that you guys can actually use. And yeah, so if you want to be entered in the giveaway, the most important thing is to make sure you are subscribed to me so that you are aware of when I'm doing my giveaways or, whatever else I have going on. I do have some haul videos coming up. I have not felt my best, so I didn't want to get on camera. But yeah, I'm trying to overcome that. I don't know why I'm really shy when it comes to getting on a camera, but whatever. Here I am going in on that glitter nail with a white French tip. If this was an actual client I had, then I would have went in and put like 2 coats of this French tip. But just because it's my silicone hand, I didn't feel the need to go in and do a second coat. So you can see a little bit of the glitter peeking through, but it's fine. You want to make sure you do your outline first and then take your bigger brush and go ahead and fill it in. Because if not, you'll be sitting here all day. So that's what I did. And on this last nail, I wanted something that was reminiscent of like fireworks, but not necessarily fireworks. So what else better than to do is to go in with line work. I will say using this kit was great. Like, as you guys can see, it's a really pretty pink color. The white color did its job. I did go in and cap it with the clear. This is by far one of the better kits that I have used to show you guys. I think this is actually my first time using acrylic by Born Pretty. So I like these type of kits because if you're somebody, I always get comments, you guys, like, oh, I'm really trying to get into nails. I don't have any supplies. You can just buy a little kit. You don't have to go in with a $100 kit or a $150 kit. Buy a little $20 kit, a little $15 kit, and just play in acrylic and monomer to see if, one, you like the smell of it in your house, two, if it's something you think you want to do. That way you're not buying this expensive product and then you at the end you don't want to use it and it's just sitting in a box. So I do love these kind of kits, and as you guys can see, you can actually get some nice looks using the kits. Just make sure you're reading the directions, especially if you're a beginner, so that you mix with everything together that is supposed to be mixed and you know what you're doing and you're not wasting your product. So here I am going in with my diamond top coat just to get these nails all glossy. And yeah, that's about it. This video is not long at all. All links will be listed down below. I will do a short, like I said, between tonight and tomorrow, probably tonight, just showing you guys what I'm giving in the giveaway. And yeah, Happy New Year. If you're going out tonight, do me a favor, be safe. Don't drink and drive. It's a lot of ways for you to get to your destination nowadays. You can call Uber, you can call a friend, but whatever you do, stay safe. Make sure someone know where you're at all times. And yeah, I think these came out cute. Let me know down below if you like this look, if you're going to try it, or you wearing New Year's Eve nails. My clients do not get anything like this. You know, I have all plain Janes. So it's nice to come on here and do stuff that I would typically wear on myself, or you know, I would want to do on a client. So let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll check you guys out in my next video.